Happy Monday, everybody! Trying to put a cheerful voice on a Monday morning when you're feeling a little bit like, tired after a long weekend. But anyway, we are in the workshop today, and so there's a few bits and pieces going down here. We've got some ISR 4331s. Are there? Is that right, Dave? 4331s, yeah. ISR 4331s, we are upgrading the PVDMs. We call these Cisco bezels because they're like the Cisco, the design of them. Our friend Rob, who designed these, used to work for Cisco for 27 years. So we are going to upgrade the power supplies because these are standard power supplies. I'm going to put PoE power supplies in there, and the PoE power supplies always come in missing the PoE cable, so they don't operate as PoE power supplies, but these will when we're finished. Then there's some NIM modules, going to test NIM modules in there. These ones have got the UC licenses on them, SEC license on them. I think it's the APX license on there as well. We've got a couple of look at these old firewalls. Look, ASA 55 16s, and as you can see, they're going to need some serious TLC. These have the little, I think it's a 128 gig SSD, is it, Dave, in these? Anyway, these have got the FPWR operating system on them. What else have we got in here? Oh yes, and I'm going to do a little Nortel video later today. The history of Nortel going back to 1992, I think it was. A big competitor to Cisco, but anyway. I'll do that a little bit later. I'm just waiting for a load of Extreme, Avaya and Nortel switches so that I can include those on the video. We've got some PRP3s. We're trying to restore those because those have had the little SSD, the 2 gig SSD modules removed. What else have we got here? Oh, this is... I wonder why that's not working. Yeah, anyway, the joys of refurbishing. I had an idea. Okay, so buying used networks is a bit like Tinder for techies, where we're trying to match a device to a customer. So when a customer comes to us and they say, right, okay, we've got a requirement for a switch or router or, I don't know, a Cisco WebEx screen. We need to find the right device for that customer. Now, like Tinder, sorry about the analogy, sometimes equipment can look ugly. Nobody likes anything ugly. I know that they say beauty is skin deep, but it's not always. Anyway, hello. Somebody's doing a little bit of a photo shoot here. Anyway, I've got to go. See you on the next one real soon. Bye.